You guys want to go get a hamburger after this? I'm going to get a McDonald's hamburger. We're just getting the car cleaned up. I know this is kind of like, well, it's scary. I mean, seriously. I'm pretty impressed, actually. Olive is the one who's most terrified. It's okay, Sonata. Good girl, Annie. Good girl, Mocha. Good girl, Sonata. Hey, guys, you want a treat? Is it over yet? Or has it just begun? These are good girls. These are good girls. It's almost over. And then we're going to go get a little something Mickey D's. I'm going to get my mocha frappe. And maybe we'll get you guys a burger with no bun. Natasha, where are you at? Okay, you can come up here, Sonata. There you go. I don't want you to come on my lap, because then that's like rescuing you, and I don't want you to be afraid of this. Here, right here. Come on. You're okay, I got you. You want to come up? Are you stuck? It's okay, baby. It's okay. Okay, so this is important. She is scared. This is her first time to do this, but I'm doing all the things. No, actually, I shouldn't be doing that right now. Okay, sit. It has to be a balance in this situation of knowing when to comfort and when not to. Actually, when I was just petting her right then, I really shouldn't have, because that was rewarding her for terrifying anxiety. So during this time, I need to remain strong like a leader. When you are with me, I assure you nothing will happen. You already know that, correct? I don't know what accent this is. I'm just trying to talk you through it. This is what happens when I spend more time with dogs than people. I talk way too much because with dogs, I can get everything in that I want to say. Sonata, this is the car wash. Car wash. At the car wash. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Annie is zoning out right now. But she is self-soothing. Mocha is also self-soothing. She's not too concerned about it, but she's like, I can either take it or leave it. Thank you, Sonata. Thank you, Mocha. Thank you, Annie. Almost done. So I hope nobody that watches this thinks this is like animal abuse. This is actually called rehabilitating social situations. This is one of my favorite things to expose dogs for, because when they're with me during the situation, they literally have to put all of their trust in someone because they're terrified at first. So it's a good bonding experience for leader and camper. So Annie's completely comfortable now. And that's what I love about Annie and even Mocha, is that they know how to relax. And Mocha didn't always know how to relax. That's for sure. Jappy for sure. All right, it's almost over, so I got to turn the camera off, okay? We're going to go get a hamburger now. Thank you.